Merry SWISHmas, everyone.
Merry SWISHmas.
Merry SWISHmas.
Merry SWISHmas.
Merry SWISHmas.
Merry SWISHmas.
Happy SWISHmas, legends!
Merry SWISHmas.
Merry SWISHmas.
Merry SWISHmas.
Merry SWISHmas.
Merry SWISHmas.
Merry SWISHmas.
Just want to quickly drop in all the way from the UK, and thanks so much for everyone that supported and followed us all the way through 2022. And I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye for now.
Hey Swishers, Merry Christmas to every single one of you wherever you are around the world. Thank you for all of your support this year, whether you have joined us in training in some way, shape or form, or just watched us from afar. We really do appreciate it. It's been a phenomenal year for us here at Swish, and it has been a record-breaking, more importantly, year for our clients all around the world. Have yourself an amazing festive period, hopefully with your family and your friends, and we'll see you again to go even bigger in 2023. Merry Christmas.